Welcome to the 2010 Sharp Eye channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey, tada. This is the 2010 Sharp Eye channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 1, Marmukalans 1. My brother Gunjan.
Sharp uzana mfethu.
Sharp man. He came in njani namhlanje.
Hayi game mfethu bemnandi. Mina ngijabulele nje ukubona i-new player idlala. Umayo. And uze wascore. Yeah. So I have a question ukuthi na ku-2 yethu angithi sithengene aboshinga abolentuza ama-player lawa amasha lawa sizowabona nini ukuthi siwabone ukuthi na adlala kanjani. Yeah, it's just that into engifuna ukuyazi ngoba because of yona bona siyayibona team iza kahle. Yeah, iza kahle but lama player amasha sifuna ukuwabona sijabule nathi ukuthi hey man abantu bayabona ukuthi i-Chiefs ikhona asibi utop 8 line njenga last year sifuna ukuzibona ku top 2 not 3 2 noma 1 and 2 nje.
Mukabani zoyithatha league this season.
Yeah, if singahlanganisa kahle ama player wethu waba no one mentality ukuthi nje guys asiwulweleni ama cup wonke ama cup like sicala ngale i-Black Label silweleni kuya phambili singayithatha i-league.
Siyabonga for all the best.
Siyabonga.
For your soccer updates, visit www.ngobo2010sharpeye.com.